a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Hair. Shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company, and if you guys know me, you've been rocking with me for a while, then you know I can be a little iffy about working with new companies. So, you know, whenever I do get a new company, it's like, but sometimes companies come through. So let's see if old girl came through with the come through. Okay, so the details and specs on this wig is, now I'm gonna go ahead and give you my specs. They did send me this unit in 26 inches. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and if I'm not mistaken, they said that they were going to send me 250% density. Now this unit does come in 180% density as well, but we will get into that in a little bit, okay? So it says glueless 5x5 HD transparent lace closure wig, body wave, Ashimary Brazilian human hair, natural color. So this unit does come in 12 to 30 inches as far as length. They do have the lace available in transparent, medium brown, and HD. And as I stated, with the density, you can get it in 180 or 250. So they did tell me that they were going to send me the HD lace. So, honey, that's what she got. Okay, so it says texture is a body wave. Obviously, it's a 5x5 lace closure wig. It is human hair. The lengths available is 12 to 30 inches. All of those being even numbers. It says natural. The color is natural black color. Can be dyed and bleached into number 27. So when you dye this unit, you can expect to go all the way up to 27, which is pretty normal with these units. You know, 27 is like a honey color. As far as bleaching it past that, usually you cannot get any higher than that without messing up the hair. Child, I don't know. I'm just saying something that sounded good though, didn't it, girl? But anyways, the features are pre-plucked hairline, 3 combs for security. The cap size is a standard medium cap size. So this unit does not come in any other cap size. I want to go ahead and throw it out there that in my opinion, this particular wig is big head friendly. And as you guys know, if you watch me, I always gauge whether or not a unit is big head friendly based off if I have to adjust the straps or not, because I am an average cap size. So if I have to adjust the straps, then I say it is medium to large head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps, then I say the small to medium head friendly. So with this particular unit, I want to say that it is more so big head friendly than not, because I did have to adjust the straps. It also says the wig life is 6 to 18 months, depending on your use and care. I know I get a lot of questions about that. Now, with me, units, especially my human hair units, they tend to last a very, very long time. Only because I don't wear the same unit often. I may find one particular wig that is my favorite, throw on and go, and it lasts not as long. But all of my units typically last a year or more, the ones that I have in heavy rotation. But even more than that, a lot of my units only get worn once. So they last a really, really long time. So it just kind of depends on you and how you're taking care of the unit and all of that good stuff. I have cousins, my cousins in Georgia, Melanie and Ashley, they've had units where Ashley bought the hair and then wore it for a year, and then Melanie wore it. You know what I mean? Like, it just kind of depends on you and how you're taking care of the unit. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not received any of those things. Like, oh, girl is not doing any of that straight out of the packaging. That doesn't mean at some point she won't. That just means straight out of the packaging, she's not doing any of the things, girl. Okay, so shout out to you, boo. But straight out of the packaging, she is not. I did end up layering it, so you may see some hair maybe on me or scattered about, but that is just because I layered the unit, and child, you know, I'll be doing what I be doing real. Let's be honest. Okay, girl. So straight out of the packaging, she is not doing any of the things. So shout out to you, Ashimary, for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. I do want to go ahead and say, honey, this hairline, this lace. Okay, girl. If you know by watching me, brown lace is not my friend. Okay, because brown lace can tend to be a little too dark for me. But this right here, this HD, this transparent, is everything, girl. Like, she is everything. Like, I almost forgot that this unit was a closure. Like, they did their thing, because I always have a hard time over here in this general area right here when I'm dealing with closures, because I always say I'm not cutting it right. But the way that they had their closure set up was just really bomb. Okay, they did their thing with that. So shout out to y'all. And I didn't want to do any baby hairs because I really want you guys to get into this hairline. I did not touch this hairline. You may want to tweeze it a little more, but to me, I thought it looked really, really good, just like straight out. And I didn't want to mess her up by trying to tweeze her when I don't know how to tweeze. Like, you know what I'm saying. So anyways, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about old girl as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. All right, honey, Ashimary. I hope I'm saying your name right, because, honey, you have come through with the come through, okay? Like I say, I'm always a little anxious when I'm dealing with a new company, because I never know if I'm gonna have to send the hair back. You know, I usually like to stick to what I know, because dealing with another company, I may have to send the hair back, and it costs to send hair back, girl. Okay, it costs to send hair back, and you know, on top of that, you know, I won't be working with that particular company, so I'm losing money when I take the chance to work with a new company. So it's always a little scary for me. But y'all, they came through. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, I love everything about it. I literally put the unit on earlier today because Juicy had a football game, so I wasn't able to style it and add curls and stuff straight out because I had to go to the game. But when I laid it down, I was like, oh my god, I am definitely loving this lace. I even had to go to Reggie, like, Reggie know what lace is, child. He don't know what no lace is, girl. He had no idea what I was talking about, but I was like, do you see lace? And he was like, no, like, is that a good thing? And I'm like, yeah. This lace is amazing. Like, it is awesome. Like, y'all definitely came through. Now, as far as the unit, it's your typical body wave wig, but I had no issues with it whatsoever either. Now, they do say it's 250% density. To me, it just depends, okay? To me, I feel like 250, depending on the company, can be a little thicker than this. Now, this unit, don't get me wrong, it is thick, but it was definitely serving more of 180% to me, in my opinion. But it could pass for 250. Y'all let me know, because I know y'all gonna let me know down below in the comments. Y'all know I keep it a whole buck with y'all, okay? But to me, I can't can't really gauge it. Like, it's not thin whatsoever. So it's possible that it could be, but to me, I've had some units that was this thick and it was 180, and I've had some units that were 200 that was this. So I am not 100% sure. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below, but honey, I ain't gonna lie though, the hair is soft, it looks good, it is gorgeous. I feel like they came through with it. That's my opinion, y'all. Okay, that is my honest opinion. I am loving this unit. Like, she is mine. Okay, no family member can get her. She belongs to me. Okay, and you guys already know I love a good closure because I'm lazy. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I love everything about this wig. I feel like they definitely came through, and I look forward to adding another company to my roster. So shout out to you, boo. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way. All right, honey, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you ever tried out this company, because as I stated, this is my first time. So let me know down below in the comments if you've ever tried this company, what you think about her, all of that. Y'all let me know. Sound off in the comments. And if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions which you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah.